Hi, it's been 3 weeks since we've been inside of here, and today is extraction day. So we are going to take honey from the bees, just like Winnie the Pooh. The bees have been very busy, so I don't know what I'm going to find in there, but with any luck at all, we're going to take about 40 pounds of honey today. And I have some special helpers all the way from Hawaii to help me do the extraction. So I'm gonna fire up my smoker and here we go. I really hope I don't get stung. That was easy. Messing with bees is quite a buzz.